Once again, we are back to looking at the weekly expirations. Now, these weekly expiry days are very, very unusual. Sometimes they can be dull as hell, and sometimes they can get overly exciting, which is why so many people try to trade it as a lottery ticket. Now, hopefully, you're not doing that. My views are always more positional in nature. So, when somebody tries to tell me on Twitter कि आपने तो ये बोला था, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ? Then I am like, it was not a day trade. It's not like today they do this, tomorrow that happens. It happens over a period of time. So in that sense, after 4 months of selling, if you are getting a bounce back, it is completely normal and natural. And you cannot just say sell on the rise when you are having a 2-3 week rally. And so if that is the commentary you're expecting, it is your own bias that maybe you want me to be bearish because you're bearish, then you look for somebody else who's bearish. And that is something, it's called confirmation bias in behavioral finance. And that's not something you should be addicted to. You should have tools that allow you to change sides and then consider all the options possible on that side. So if the market turns from negative to positive, we look for alternate wave counts. We even look for possibility that our old wave counts are wrong. And we try to understand the macro and fundamental situation as well as to something has changed, that maybe my overall view goes wrong. All of these things should be considered. And that's what market analysis is really all about. It's not about मैंने बोला था and 100% वैसा ही होगा. That's complete stupidity. So that's not what I do. But we change sides. Sometimes we are able to stick to the original view. Sometimes we are forced to change it. What will happen? I don't know. But right now, the market continues to be in a short-term uptrend. And we've hardly seen any short covering. Even yesterday, FIS barely cut their shorts. Now, either this means that they are sure of a market crash, or it means that बहुत cutting बाकी है. And I think the second case is usually the more likely case, especially like I said, after 4 months of selling, we've fallen too far. And so it's a quite oversold market, and various sectors which had fallen excessively even on Monday are now starting to rebound. So keep that in mind and act accordingly. There will be support somewhere, 23,500, 600, kahin na kahin, there will be support, and then we'll pick up again is how I'm thinking about it.